Hi, I'm Johnny from Happy Valley Ranch. Today we're going to demonstrate the Get Crackin' Black Walnut Cracker. When you get this, set your lever at about a 30-degree angle. That way you'll be able to put the pressure down on it. Crack your walnut on the side, not on the crown. Slip it in. Press gently. Till you get it cracked. And you want to make small cracks as we go. Then you'll take a piece and then you can just work it out. Simple and easy as that. You don't want to put it on the crown. Okay, this is what not to do. I'm gonna put your walnut in there up high like this, and you'll see you come down, maybe even right there. Come down, you can rest your hand any way you want to. That's what not to do. Do not put it on the crown, which is the top of your walnut. It will bust and go everywhere. Pulling down till you hear it crack, and then back off. And then work it around your walnut to get you a good, even crack. I like to turn mine like this just because I can control my crack better. You do it any way you like. I can control the crack better pulling it to me. You may have a different way of doing it, but you see how it's done. Then you can just continue to crack in your walnuts until you're capable of getting all your meat out.